Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your Steam Hex ID. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your Steam community profile page where all your public information is displayed. Now, on your profile page, look at the right panel where you'll find various profile management options. Click on Edit Profile to access your profile customization settings. This section allows you to modify different aspects of your Steam profile, including your display name, avatar, and most importantly for this tutorial, your custom URL. In the Edit Profile section, look for the Custom URL field. This is where Steam displays your personalized profile identifier. Right below this field, you'll see your Steam Community ID. This is a crucial piece of information you'll need for the next step. Go ahead and copy the entire URL link that includes your Steam ID. This unique identifier is what we'll use to generate your Hex ID. Next, open your web browser and navigate to steamid.pro. This is a free online tool specifically designed to convert Steam IDs into various formats, including the Hex ID you're looking for. The site provides a simple and straightforward way to get different versions of your Steam identifier without any complicated processes. Once the page loads, look for the input field labeled Enter Steam ID in the center of the page. Click on this field and paste the Steam ID URL you copied earlier from your Steam profile. After pasting your ID, you'll notice a lookup button right beside the input field. Click on Lookup to process your Steam ID and generate the various formats. The tool will now process your information and display several different ID formats. Look for the section labeled Hex. Right beside it, you'll see your Steam Hex ID displayed. This hexadecimal version of your Steam ID is now ready to use wherever you need it, whether it's for server configurations, third-party applications, or any other purpose that requires this specific format. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved your Steam Hex ID using a simple online conversion tool. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.